Hello everybody, Lewis here. For this video today I'm going to show you guys how to restore the Mac to its factory settings. But there's two things you want to make sure you want to do. First is to erase your hard drive or format it and get it ready for the to restore. And then the second thing is you want to make sure you have a bootable USB drive with your operating system on it. First I tried to make it myself, but that took a lot of time and it's frustrating, and after many attempts I just gave in and went to Amazon and bought me a USB drive. It was $14.99 plus tax $1.20. It's like $16.19. I'll show you the paper here in a second. Also came with instructions on how to boot a Mac from the USB drive. So for all you tech savvy people good with computers and able to make the bootable drive yourself, more power to you. But you know, for those that aren't and or have a hard time or just don't want to go through that process, then just go ahead and order it from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below so you guys can grab it. It makes everything much easier, you know, saves time. Let's go get on with the video. So first things first, you want to turn the power on. When you turn the power on, hold Command R. And let that load. Alright, after waiting a couple minutes, 5-10 minutes, you should have your utilities pop up right here. And this is how we're gonna format or erase our disk right here. We hit this utility, hit continue. From here, should be under Macintosh HT. This is normally Macintosh HT, but I already erased it. But for example, I'm gonna do it again. So it's Untitled right here. You want to click Erase. You want to make sure this is OS X Extended Journal format. And you hit Erase. While that's erasing. Once it's done, you just click Done. Like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna restart this. We're gonna shut down first, then we're gonna start it. Once you turn it back on, and this is the part where you want to make sure your USB drive is plugged in. Your bootable USB drive, and then you hit power on. After power on, you hold Option. And once this shows up, see right here, you see your USB drive. This one actually came with two operating systems, Yosemite and El Capitan. But for this example, because the original operating system was El Capitan, so we're gonna go with that one. Alright. Now I'll take you to this screen, the installer. You want to click continue. Once again, continue from here. Then you agree. And you choose which disk you want to install OS X on. You do it on the Untitled, only formatted. Just like that. And that is how you guys restore your Mac to its factory settings. You guys have any questions, or if I'm missed anything, if I left anything out, please leave it in the comments below. If you guys like content like this, like to see more, please like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.